In this video, I want to share with you some realistic ideas for getting started with Google to make money online. And yes, you can start for free. This is my YouTube channel. Started it for free. And if you go into the analytics tab under revenue, you could see that actually it's not just that I started and I do this for free, I actually make money. YouTube pays me to create these YouTube videos. Another free aspect that you should be using if you're not already is Google Gemini. And here is an idea for you. I have an idea for a YouTube channel. How to make and keep money. Give me a list of channels that make these types of videos. Understand that the idea here is a simple how-to question. Has two parts: how to make money online, offline, whatever, your 9 to 5 job, how to make and keep money. It's essentially how to earn money, how to make money, how to keep it, how to save it, maybe even possibly how to invest it. But look, we're asking Google Gemini to give me a list of channels that make these types of videos. Now, you may look at some of these videos or this list of creators and say, these folks make these videos because they've already made it. They already have money. They already have done something to establish themselves here on YouTube or to be able to create content as an expert. I want you to set that to the side because the focus here isn't on what they have done. It is what you are going to do. And getting over this hurdle of thinking that you have to be an expert and move back and say, look, I have a plan to do this. I have a plan on how to make money. I have a plan on how to keep the money that I make, and I'm going to share that with the world. Literally here on YouTube, you can share that with the world and you can show people your journey. I call this the LDT method. It is, I'm going to learn, I'm going to do, and I'm going to teach. Essentially, you're sharing your journey. And in this case, you're going to go back and you're going to look at some of these channels again, based upon this simple idea of, I have an idea for a YouTube channel. How to make and keep money. Give me a list of channels that make these types of videos. Here is a list. We're going to go down, and we're going to look at these two right here because these out of this list are two regular people that I believe is the best way to get started because they're sharing their journey. Now, these other ones have shared their journey or are sharing their journey, but they already accomplished something outside of creating YouTube videos about a specific topic. Whereas these two guys here, I looked at their channels and we're going to take a look at them. We're going to use Gemini here. We're going to give Gemini some information to help us create a channel, sort of like what they've done already. And Andrew, as you see, Andrew, his whole idea is his mission is to provide you with all the tools to build generational wealth. These are his most popular videos. And this is important because we're going to feed this information into Gemini. And to do that, we're simply just going to copy this first bit of information here, and we're going to copy it. We're going to take it back to Gemini, and we're just going to start a chat. And again, we're using Google. This is a free Google tool. Google lets you post videos for free on YouTube. They actually pay you once you hit a certain criteria to post and create videos or to create and post videos on your channel that you're going to create, but they give you this free tool. So I'm just going to paste in the information. And of course, when I paste it in, I need to scroll back up here to share the prompt with you. Or I don't like to say prompt. I just like to say input or the conversation I'm having with the AI. Give me 10 video ideas to create my own channel about how to make and keep the money I make. From this list of popular videos from channels that are similar to the type of channel I want to make, where I share my journey in making and keeping money. Remember, you're sharing your journey. You're starting at zero and you're just sharing with the world your plan on how to make and keep the money that you make. Now, I posted in Andrew's stuff. I'm going to go ahead and check out Ian Builds Wealth. And again, we're just going to go and we're just going to grab everything right here from his top videos, and we're just going to copy that. We're going to take that back to Gemini, and then we're going to scroll down here, and then I'm just going to paste that in there, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the submit button, and then Gemini is going to start doing the work for us. And the focus here is, again, right? We're just looking for video ideas on a specific topic, and this could be any topic. It doesn't have to be how to make and keep money or about finance or making money, but it is a great topic, and it is something that, if you're comfortable with it, can make you a lot of money by just showing people and sharing your journey here. 10 video ideas for your how to make and keep money YouTube channel. Drawing inspiration from Andrew and Ian Builds Wealth, here are 10 videos. Building your foundation, investing in growth, debt management and savings. And then here's a bonus video and understand that these are just a starting point. Feel free to adapt them to your own experience and interest. Remember to personalize your content, inject energy, and make it engaging for your audience. This is the key. But the point here is now you have an idea and you don't even need to really think at this point other than just take a look at this. Budgeting Basics or Emergency Fund 101. Copy this. And if you don't believe, just go to YouTube and just paste in that title and hit search. And then when it comes back, first and foremost, you're going to see an ad, which means that people are paying to get their content in front of that keyword. But understand that, look, emergency fund, you have 104,000 views, 33,000 views, another ad. And then down here, you have maybe a smaller channel, but 13 days ago, 1 view, 143 views, another ad. And of course, people are making short form content and long form content. The point is that the information that Gemini has given you is a great starting point. And that's all this is a starting point to start generating ideas. I have a link in the description around this how to make and keep money idea. If you want to explore more channels, I've listed them out for you. I've also added another video in there about using YouTube specifically to create this type of content where you are sharing your journey. But come back to this and understand that this is a free tool from Google that lets us explore these topics, lets us come up with and brainstorm ideas, and then understand that you go back and you look, YouTube pays me to create content. YouTube will pay you to create content. You just have to actually create it. Now, you do need a plan. And inside my affiliating, how to build a profitable online business, I provide 9 steps to do that here on YouTube. But starting with picking a topic, and then you need traffic. So a foundational pillar of traffic to an offer, and then add people to an email list. But understand that building an email list is an advanced topic. So just step back and focus on the first start of using Google for free to make money. Understand that, yes, YouTube is owned by Google, and I know that everyone has a problem. The majority of people that watch my videos and that I work with, they have the exact same problem. They let their mind get in the way, or they just can't get over the idea that they can start at zero and build up and build a profitable online business because they see the competition. They see those videos that are ranking. They see those channels that have thousands or hundreds of thousands of views per video. You have to move past that and understand that just getting started by picking a topic, going through this exercise like I've done here with Gemini, checking out the link in the description and looking at the list of ideas. And I'll show you real quick. Here's the list: 15 YouTube channel ideas for beginners on making and managing money. Now, this is focused very specifically on the topic of making and keeping your money or managing your money. But I provided you a list here of video ideas and channel ideas to help you get started. As well as after idea number 15, I provided you a video that shows you and some more information, a free guide on how to kickstart your channel or how to kickstart your own profitable online business using the YouTube channel, which is owned by Google. And that's the point. Understand that Google has lots of tools, but YouTube is the most powerful way to generate traffic, or the most powerful place to create content, and primarily focused on sharing your journey in the beginning and then building yourself into an expert. I know you want to be an expert when you start, but that's not the way anything works. Before you do, or before you did whatever it is you do now to make money, like whatever job you have, the first day you showed up, you didn't know anything about doing that job. Or maybe you do know something about doing it, but you never have done it for the people that hired you. You had to learn, for example, where to find the bathroom because it was the first time you'd ever been in that building. So you had to adjust and figure out how to do things. There's no difference in what we're doing here when we're talking about making money online. You have to have a simple plan, a proven strategy, generate traffic from content here on YouTube that YouTube's going to pay you. Google's going to give you money to create content about your journey. In this case, we picked a simple topic, a topic that if you're okay with, if you're sharing about how to make money and how to keep money, and if it interests you, you have to have a little bit of interest in this and what you're doing and the content that you're creating to keep going. But you also, in my opinion, don't want to focus too much on it needs to be a passion. Like, I need to love it. Do you love the job that you do now? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But the point is, if you want to make money, you have to show up every day and do the job. And the job here is to create content. and understand that you can do it for free. It costs you nothing to post videos on YouTube. It costs you nothing to use Google Gemini, the AI, and go and start brainstorming ideas and topics and figure out a list of videos. It costs you nothing to go and do research and look at the top channels and videos that are ranking for the video ideas that Gemini gives you, and then copy those ideas and take them back to Gemini and say, give me a list of videos to make, and then use my LDT model, which is very simple, very, very simple. Learn more about what that topic is, do the topic, so go make money, and then keep it, right? Invest it, save it, whatever the strategy is. Come up with a strategy that you can then teach and implement the LDT model using the proven top strategy of generating traffic from content here on YouTube to an offer. You can become an affiliate. There's more details in the link in the description in that video, along with those channel ideas for this specific topic that I use as an example to get you started, and understand that you can actually start for free today. All you got to do is click the link in the description, check it out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.